What are some work comp benefits that you can recover in California? California's work comp system provides crucial support to employees injured on the job. Understanding these benefits can help ensure you receive the appropriate resources to recover and return to work. Number one, medical benefits. One of the primary provisions of the work comp system in California is covering medical expenses related to workplace injuries or illnesses. In California, this includes all necessary medical care directly related to the injury, from initial ER treatment, surgeries, to follow-up care and rehab. Importantly, these benefits are provided at no cost to the employee if the injury is accepted. Number two, temporary disability benefits. If an injury prevents you from doing your usual job while recovering, you may be eligible for temporary disability benefits. These benefits act as a partial wage replacement, typically amounting to about 2/3 of your pre-injury wages. These benefits are paid every 2 weeks during the recovery period, up until you can return to work or reach maximum medical improvement, or until you've exhausted 104 weeks of these benefits. The third benefit is permanent disability benefits. Some injuries result in permanent impairment that affect your ability to earn a living. In such cases, you might qualify for permanent disability benefits. The amount and duration of these benefits depend on the extent of the impairment, your age, occupation, and the date of the injury. These benefits are intended to compensate you for the loss of your future earning capacity. Number four, supplemental job displacement benefits. If you are unable to return to work due to your injury, you may receive supplemental job displacement benefits. These benefits come in the form of a non-transferable voucher that can be used for educational retraining or skill enhancement at accredited schools. Number five, death benefits. In the unfortunate event that a worker dies from a job-related injury or illness, their dependents may receive death benefits. These benefits include burial expenses and compensation to the worker's dependents, calculated based upon the number of dependents and their relationship to the deceased. How do you access these workers' comp benefits in California? To access any work comp benefits in California, you must first report the injury to your employer. Then file a workers' compensation claim form, which is called the DWC-1. Once filed, your employer's insurance will assess the claim to determine eligibility for work comp benefits. Work comp benefits in California are designed to ensure that injured workers receive the medical care and financial support that they need. Understanding these benefits is crucial for any employee who suffers a workplace injury. If navigating workers' comp claims seem overwhelming, consider consulting with a workers' comp attorney who can help guide you through the process and advocate on your behalf. If you need help with your work comp claim, please call my office at 323-545-6858.